Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a really simple way how you can invite someone in Streamyard. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click here on invite, and then you have like link here. What you have to do is like send it through Gmail, mail, or Messenger. It's up to you. And then let's just say I'm going to open a new tab, incognito window, and I just pasted the code here. What I'm going to do, I can like stop the cam while I'm entering, or also mute myself. I'm going to give myself name he is the one Neo, and enter broadcast study, right? And as you can see, you are in backstage. Only host can see you. The host may add you to the broadcast at any time. Be ready. So right now, I can like add to stream. And voila, I can start cam. I don't need to, but this is really simple and really effective way how you can broadcast with someone. And yeah, have a great day everybody, and goodbye.